What's up, YouTube? The Car Boys back here with another video. Today we're gonna be doing an upgrade for the TL. And before we get into the rest of that, welcome to the new channel. This is gonna be, from now on, this is gonna be an automotive YouTube channel. This is not gonna be a reaction channel no more. I'm not doing that anymore. I decided to switch over the car channel to my main channel, which you can see right now. Now the car channel name is TCB Vlogs for the Carboy Vlogs. That's gonna be where I upload vlogs and stuff like that. But now this channel is mainly gonna be focused on automotive content, like stuff like that. So if you feel the need that you want to unsubscribe, you can do so, because this is where I will be posting all the rest of my car content from now on, straightforward. But today we're gonna be upgrading to this Type A steering wheel. As you can see, it has paddle shifters, and the only thing else different is these buttons right here. I don't even know what those are for, but that's the only thing that's really too much different about it. The only thing that you have to do, because this is gonna be a tutorial on how to do it for a 08 and 07 base model, because I think the clock spring on a 04 through 06 is different. So I don't know if you can put this steering wheel into that car. But yeah, this is gonna be for 07, 08 base models. But you're gonna have to do your own wiring to make the paddles work. So I'm definitely gonna show you guys how to do that as well. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, subscribe to this channel. It's the new Carboy channel for sure. Just to let you guys know, go ahead and sub up, like, comment, share this, share the new channel, and let's get it on the road to putting in this new type of steering wheel. Okay, first I'm gonna start off by taking this center console apart. You have to take the center console apart because you're gonna have to get to the wires on this gear shifter. This is also only for automatics only. So yeah, you're gonna have to take the center console. You're gonna have to take all this off. And you're gonna have to come around and take this off as well to get under here, to get to the back of here, because you're gonna have to run the 3 wires. You're gonna have to get 3 things of wires. I'll show you guys all the stuff that I have, but you're gonna have to get 3 different color wires, 18 gauge wires, and you're gonna have to run them all the way back to the connection, this plug connection, which you guys will see in the rest of the video. But you're gonna run them back to this connection so that your paddles will work. It's kind of a lot of work to have your paddles to work, but if you want paddle shifters, that's what I'm doing this for, because I wanted the paddle shifters. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started disassembling all this stuff so we can get started installing that thing. So let's get it. So this is what I got. I got these from O'Reilly, these 18 gauge wire. I got to pick these up from O'Reilly, 3 different colors, so I know which one is which. And then I got this Torx bit from O'Reilly as well, so I can take out the airbag. So I'm about to get started on taking the airbag out now. I have the battery disconnected, as you can see. So yeah, let's go ahead and take out the airbag. So as you guys can see, I got the steering wheel installed. Hold on, let me clear these messages off my thing real quick before it keeps beeping. But I've had the Type A steering wheel installed, as you can see. Oh boy, it was a struggle, because the connections that you have to make down here, this is not hard, making the connections down here below the gearbox. But up here behind the steering wheel, where you have to connect the new wires into the wiring harness, bro, it took me hours to figure out, like, because the way he had it on the Acura form, he didn't have it labeled right. So you had to flip the wires back around, because the way he had it was not set up right. So I got that all wired. As you can see, you can probably still see the wires a little bit right there, but that's nothing. I'm not really worried about that. But yeah, the paddles work. I'm gonna put it in manual mode so you guys can see. I'm gonna click the up paddle, it works. Click the down paddle, it works. And I'm gonna get you guys a little driving clip of me using the paddles. But yeah, I'm gonna post the Acura design forum down below so you can follow it step by step, because that's gonna tell you how to do it much better than I can. That's why I didn't really show you a tutorial how to do it, because the Acura forum will show you better how to do it than I can show you. So I'm gonna drop that forum down below. Leave your comment. If you have comments about how to do it, just drop them down below. I'll answer them. I'll see your comment. Just trust me, I'll answer every comment there is. But yeah, I'm gonna have to show you guys what it's like driving it with the paddle shifter. So yeah. So we're gonna turn out right here. For some reason, I think I blew a fuse in my maybe blew a fuse to my turn signals. My high beams, none of that is working for some reason. I don't know if my clock springs broke. I don't know. I had to buy a new clock spring because I broke my other one because I yanked the steering wheel off. But yeah, I bought another one. Now my headlights do not turn on, no turn signal. I don't know what that's about, but everything else is working. And it had to be, I bought this clock spring from a dude here locally, and it has to be broke. So that's what it is. But I'm about to turn out here now. My steering wheel is not cricket. I needed alignment. That's why it's like that. Popping. But yeah, the paddles do work. Oh, the paddles do work. As you can see, it's downshifting. Downshift again. So yeah, they're working. I can say it's a successful mission for me. If you guys have any comments, drop them down below. I'll do my best to answer them as best as possible. And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.